friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today we are going to discuss a very important point when we are using hydroponic media based system. Today in this video I am going to discuss about disinfecting our media while taking the next crop, and this is very important step in the hydroponic growing. If you don't clean the media or disinfect the media before taking the new crop, then it is all the possibility that your new crop, young plants, will get affected by either the fungus or the insects, whatever left from the last crop. If we are removing the last crop at its mature stage will not get infected by that either the fungus or the insect, but your new crop will totally damage and you will lose all the crop into the hydroponic if you don't follow the disinfection process. Today in this video I am going to discuss about a simple method following which you can do your disinfection of the media and quickly start using your media again for the new crop. So to know everything in detail, please stay connected to the video till the end. Don't go away. Let's start this video. So friends, these are my grow beds where our media is the coco peat. We can also use a perlite and vermiculite mixture in this or some other similar media into this. Now, so after taking the crop, we must disinfect it first before taking or starting the new crop into it. For that we can use the many methods. So one of those methods is either you can take the warm water, you boil it, this coco peat, and again put it back into this bed, or you can use the bleach, or you can use some other chemical to disinfect this, or you can take this coco peat out into the sun. You can dry it for 20 days or 30 days in the sun by regularly exposing your coco peat to the sunlight. But all these methods are either very time taking or the costly. But I am going to explain you one simple method following which you can not only disinfect your beds or the media, you can use this media again very quickly within a day for your new crop sowing. For that we are going to use hydrogen peroxide. Now hydrogen peroxide is a disinfectant. When the insects or the fungus spore get into contact with it, they will die and you will get the infection free media again for your new sowing. Now talking about the strength of the hydrogen peroxide we must use. Now normally we should take a 2 ml of hydrogen peroxide, around 35% strength, to 1 liter of the water. Now this simple proportion will sufficient for your disinfection of the bed. What we'll do, we'll mix that 2 ml per liter into the water and simply spread this water over this bed. This water will be penetrating into it and get into contact with any infection spores like fungus or the insects and make them die. Now before applying this hydrogen peroxide, we must clean the media physically. For that what we have done, we have taken out all the remains of the last crop from this bed. Also we have removed the major root from this coco peat. For that we have dig out the coco peat from sides, and whatever roots get into hand, we have removed those roots. So all the physical things we have removed manually. You can also sieve it and again pour it into the bed. But we have cleaned it with the manually removing all these parts of the old remains. Now we are going to treat them with the hydrogen peroxide. But before that we have given the good amount of the water, so all the remaining of the nutrient leach out and drain out. So we have to give very good amount of the water a day before yesterday. So now that water is now drained out and now the bed is settled with the minimum of the nutrition. And now we are going to apply the hydrogen peroxide. For that we have taken this 20 liter bucket and this is our hydrogen peroxide. So what we'll do, this is a measure with the 50 ml. So we are going to add only 40 ml. So we'll keep this little low. So we are adding this hydrogen peroxide into this water. So once we add this, we must mix it well before applying it to the bed. So after adding this, we need to tightly close the bottle. Now we are mixing it well. Now what we'll do, we'll take the little amount of the water and treat the small section of our bed. For that we are measuring 4 to 5 bucket of this water into this, and with this jerry can we'll spread this water over the bed. So like this, we need to wet it thoroughly. So this is a simple application we need to do. Now once we apply this water with the hydrogen peroxide, we need to let it rest for 4 hours. That time the hydrogen peroxide will take to penetrate to the bottom of this tray and disinfect all our media. And with this simple step, we can get a fresh, infection-free media for our new crop sowing. So friends, how do you like my way of quickly disinfecting our hydroponic media and start growing new crop? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you like such ideas, please give me like so I can continue giving you such ideas where you can save your efforts and time. With this method, you can start regrowing new things within a day. We need to wait only for the 4 hours. So if you are also using a media for the hydroponic system, use this hydrogen peroxide method for disinfecting your media after every crop, and that will give you very healthy and fresh hydroponic crop for your consumption. Happy growing!